Christmas. Yay, we made it. So if you have been consistent till now, congratulations, I'm so proud of you. Today we are again going to work with the magic circle, but today's focus is mainly going to be our abs and a little bit of mobility towards the end, right? So are you ready to get into the workout? I hope you have a great workout and let's get into it. Hello everyone, it's day 4 of the 7-day long journey of the Christmas series that I'm doing. Today we are again working with the Pilates circle because it's just so effective. In this exercise, I have simply engaged my core and I'm working my leg, but I am actually powering it through the core. So in order to push this ring down, I'm really using the back of my leg, so a lot of hamstring power, and I'm obviously pointing through my toes, which helps me to really stretch my legs out and get a good stretch. Now I'm going to press down the magic circle with the back of my body with both legs, and we're going to get into the teaser. If you watched my videos and if you watched earlier videos, you know what a teaser is. In a teaser, you basically inhale 5 times, coordinated with the hand movement, and exhale 5 times, coordinated with the hand movement. And while you do so, you are actually having your legs in an elevated position. However, here you are pressing them down with the magic circle because this is the magic circle special workout. Now we are going to work our inner thighs and our glutes. So keeping the circle in between your knees, a little bit above your knees. I refer to in between knees as above the knees. So keep placing it there. You're going to just articulate your spine up like that, get into a glute bridge, and extend your leg to press into the magic circle. Now this is an advanced and difficult exercise, but if done right, it will give you amazing results, amazing toning for the inner thighs as well as for the glutes. So obviously it goes without saying, make sure that your core is engaged, that you squeeze your glutes when you go up, and that you are breathing thoracically. If you are new to Pilates and if you do not know what I just talked about, you can always go and check out my Principles of Pilates video, which I have uploaded earlier. Feel free to check out my other videos while you're at it as well. Alright, so now moving on to the next exercise, we are working our abs really intensely over here. Now, how is the circle being used over here? We are using the circle. When I take the ring, actually I have pressed the circle throughout. Even when it goes above my head and when it comes ahead and touches my knees, I'm pressing the circle throughout. And this is actually helping me to work my entire arms as well as my pectoral muscles. So keeping the principles in mind, perform this exercise. Now we're again going to do the same exercise, but this time we are pressing the magic circle in between our legs. So it is working your inner thighs, and obviously your abs, because otherwise how are you going to stay in this position, right? So yeah. And for the next exercise, for the final exercise of day 4 of this series, we are going to work our arms and pectoral muscles and try to power it through our core. So you do it at 4 different positions, and at every position you're going to pump the magic circle about 10 times. Coordinate it with your breath. You inhale once and exhale once, or inhale for 2 pumps and exhale for 2 pumps, however you like it. But just remember to breathe while exercising. Here also, even though I'm sitting, my core is engaged and I am breathing thoracically and my back is straight. And I'm pointing through my toes because it's just a good idea to point through your toes if you're looking to improve your flexibility. So yeah, I'm again going and doing another set of the pumps with the ring, and you can do as many repetitions as you want. I would say 15 into 3 sets would be enough for all of the exercises in today's workout routine of day 4 of the 7 days to Christmas series. And if you have been here from a long time, if you have been following the series from day 1, that's amazing. Congratulations for making it so far. So everyone, that was our workout for day 4. I hope you develop your dream abs after this workout, and I hope you also followed the count for this workout, which is 20 repetitions into 3 sets. So yeah, that's it for today. That's it for day 4. I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Have a great workout. Bye bye.